with the 41st pick in the 2017 NFL Draft, the Minnesota Vikings select Dalvin Cook, running back, Florida State.
We just want to say thank you to all the fans that did quit on us today. Let's go! Let's go!
8 pass plays of 20 plus. Brett Favre, the last quarterback to do that. This is going to be the rookie record in his debut for a Viking in rushing yards.
Cook, right side, good hole, and runs into Walker again, but not before Dalvin Cook pushes the pile for 12 yards. Finished off by Dalvin Cook. The 7th in a row today. Here's Dalvin Cook on first down, and Cook's got room. Dalvin Cook takes off down the sideline. There he goes. The big play they desperately needed. Dalvin Cook with a 71-yard touchdown. 71, 81-yard touchdown. There's Jefferson with a key block. And Cook off to the races.